HD brand has always been committed to excellent service. So we often think about how to help our customers and provide after-sales service that far exceeds your psychological expectations. When you choose HD brand machine, when shipping, the toolbox that comes with the machine contains the tools needed to assemble and maintain the machine. Next, you need to learn how to use them. We have filmed the operation video you will need. We will demonstrate the assembly process from unboxing to printing. We will teach you at each step. The machine is very easy to install. Just simple assembly. We will introduce the precautions during the assembly process. Follow our method to complete the assembly. Of course, you also need to install the operating software. Don't worry. We still have the whole process of installation video. HD's engineer will establish a communication group with you. He will answer your questions in a timely manner. HD is your loyal partner in business, committed to the success of your business.